Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So as you requested in the comment sections to review the Brother PE550D Disney embroidery machine, let's start it. The Brother PE550D is a special embroidery machine designed for Disney fans and beginners alike. It is ideal for adding a magical touch to various projects with its unique Disney-themed designs. Here's a detailed look at its features, pros, cons, and price range. Features. Number 1. Built-in Disney designs. The machine comes with 125 built-in designs, including 45 exclusive Disney designs featuring characters like Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Number 2. 4x4 inches embroidery area. Perfect for small to medium-sized projects, this embroidery area is ideal for personalizing clothing, bags, and more. Number 3. Large color LCD screen. A bright, easy-to-use touchscreen allows you to preview and edit designs before stitching. Number 4. USB port for importing designs. The machine includes a USB port, enabling you to import additional designs and expand your creativity. Number 5. 9 built-in fonts, with 6 English and 3 Japanese fonts. You can add personalized monograms and text to your projects. Number 6. Automatic needle threader. This feature simplifies the threading process, saving time and reducing frustration. Number 7. Design, editing, rotate, resize, and mirror your designs directly on the screen, giving you flexibility in creating unique embroidery pieces. Pros. Number 1. Exclusive Disney designs, a dream for Disney enthusiasts, offering a unique range of characters and themes. Number 2. User-friendly, ideal for beginners with straightforward controls and an intuitive interface. Number 3. Customizable. The ability to import designs and adjust them directly on the machine makes it versatile. Number 4. Affordable. Considering its features and Disney branding, it offers good value for money. Cons. Number 1. Limited embroidery area. The 4x4 inches embroidery area might be too small for larger projects. Number 2. Single functionality. This machine is dedicated solely to embroidery, so it's not suitable for those looking for sewing capabilities. Number 3. Lack of advanced features. May not satisfy more experienced users who require advanced editing and design options. Price range. The Brother PE550D embroidery machine is generally priced between $350 to $450, making it an affordable option for Disney fans and embroidery beginners. The price can vary based on promotions and where you purchase it. This embroidery machine is a great choice for those who want to bring a bit of Disney magic to their embroidery projects while enjoying easy-to-use features and a reasonable price. For more informative videos, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Please like this video. If you need any help, just comment below.